Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're gonna make fried chicken, KFC style. First, we're gonna need some flour and some corn flour. Mix them all together. And we're gonna season it with the salt and pepper. Add half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion salt, half of teaspoon of hot paprika, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and we're gonna mix them all together. Next, in a bowl, break 2 eggs. Add some salt. And beat them all together. Add some yogurt. And a little bit of ground paprika. And mix them all together. Now we're gonna dip the chicken into the yogurt and top it up into a flour mixture. I use drumstick for this recipe, but you can use all type of chicken wings, fresh chicken. Be sure you cover the whole chicken drumstick. Look how beautiful they are. In a fry pan, preheat the oil at 160 degrees and fry the chicken for about 20 minutes. Now take the chicken out and use a paper towel to absorb the oil. That's our fried chicken. Look what beautiful color. You see the small golden spots? That's our corn flour. Mmm. This is better than KFC. Very crunchy and tasty. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!